Do you want to unblock people on Instagram? You can unblock someone on Instagram with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to unblock people on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To unblock someone on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page. A new screen will appear with various settings options. Scroll down to the Who Can See Your Content section. Here, you will see various options. Find and tap Unblocked accounts. Now, you will see a list of people you've blocked before on Instagram. To unblock someone, find the person you want to unblock and tap on the Unblock button next to their name. A pop-up confirmation will appear. From here, select Unblock. Once unblocked, the person will be able to view your posts, follow you, and interact with you again unless you choose to block them again.